Sora is taking over the traditional social media. And no, I'm not kidding. It just became the number one application being downloaded on the App Store. And it's crazy. Like earlier, it used to be ChatGPT when it early launched in 2023. And now it's Sora. It's a video generation tool. We'll be talking about this in more into the details. But let me just give you an overview of what we are talking about today. We are talking about an application that creates viral, eye catchy, trendy videos just in seconds. And no, I'm not just joking around here. It's true. It's happening. So, what we'll be covering in this video? First, what is Sora? I'll be introducing Sora to you, why it is different, and how you can use it, and how you can use it like the real world use cases where you can actually monetize this thing and how you can get invite codes. It's an invite only application, by the way, so it requires an invite code for you to join this application. It's not, it's having some barriers. So, yeah, I'll be sharing the resources of where you can get the invite codes. Also, I'll be sharing my personal invite codes to you. So, it's first come, first serve. Watch this video till the end, and you'll get your invite code. Let's just begin. So, first, what this? This is the image I had, and this is the product video we are having right now. We'll be talking about this further and we'll be discussing that. But let's just begin. What is Sora? Sora is a video generation model and it's developed by openAI. No, OpenAI is the same company that developed ChatGPT earlier, which is a text generation tool. This is a video generation tool. And no, it's like if I talk about it in simple words, Sora is the application where you write something in text format and it provides the video. It's not new. We have been watching this thing from past a year, but this one is a different thing. It's not new, but it's a different game. I'll be discussing that thing further, but this is in simple words. Sora was earlier released in February 2024. That was the ChatGPT 1 era. It was like the earlier version. And they released the second version in September 30, 2025. And this is the moment. They just don't release another model. They release an application. And this application is going to become the AI social media application where everything is AI, but still people are going to love it because yeah, it's fun. It's fun to use. I have been using it. My team has been using it, and they can't just get out of it. They're like, this is cool. Now, let me just talk about how you can get access of it. To get the access of Sora, you can use two platforms, either iOS or web app version of it. It's not available for Androids. Sorry about that. But yeah, if you're having an iPhone, you will be able to use it. Or else you can use a web version of it. And by the way, it's not available in India yet. It's available in US and Canada. So yeah, you know how to use it, right? You have been using a lot of sites. So you know what to do. Now mark my words. It's not perfect yet, but it's only going to get better. This is the same thing that happened with ChatGPT. This is the same thing that happened with earlier other models, and it's the same here. It's going to get better. So either you ride it or you die without it, right? Whatever. Let's just move forward. How you can utilize this one. And I told you, I'll be telling you how you can utilize this, how you can monetize on these things. And one of the things that I am having in my mind is product videos. You can create product videos. And let me just give you an example. Remember, we had a talk about this in the earlier slides. This is it. This is the image we had, and it is image of a product, or like it's a pen holder. It's just there. It was there put on my desk, and I took an image of it just using my phone. Nothing else. Just using my phone. I took this image. I put into this model. I put in this application, and this is what I got. Let me just play this video for you. You see that? The moment of her face, the moment in the way she's holding that particular product, the blending of the product into the actual environment of her place. That's so real, and that's what excites me. And why I'm saying product videos are one of the things that could be really good use case of this is because people are having their e-commerce sites, they are having their product or listed on Shopify, or they're having listings on Amazon, right? So those people who are having such products, they can really market it well using this kind of videos. Now they don't have to waste their time on hiring someone, on editing, on creating things. They can just put in the text there, or take help of someone like me to get these things done. And yeah, it's done. They can publish these videos on social media and get a lot of views, and those views get converted into sales, real cash. Yeah, like that's one of the way you can monetize this. And if you are someone who is getting into it, these things, you can pitch these things to businesses as well. We'll be talking about all those things later down the line, and we'll be discussing on those as well. But yeah, let's just move forward for this particular video. What are the other ways you can use it? I talked about product videos, but there are other ways you can utilize these things, and one of them is creating memes. Meme marketing is a huge potential. Like it's huge industry, meme marketing. You can utilize this thing by creating memes. You can generate b-rolls and videos for brands or any business. You can create funny videos. Entertainment is a huge market. You can bring unrealistic imaginary of yourself into idea, like into those ideas into real life. You can bring those things, and you can place yourself into different environment. Like for example, recently I was experimenting with it, and I put myself on top of Burj Khalifa having an interview there, and that was pretty fun. I'll put that video on top of this here somewhere, and you'll love watching that one. Particularly I enjoyed that. So yeah, you can do a lot of cool stuff with it. Now comes to this thing, how you can get an invite code. Invite code is something you will be required because, as I said, it's an invite only application now. You can't get in without having an invitation code. So, what are the sources where you can get the invitation code? These are some of them. You can get it on their official community. They are in their Discord, or they're having some other communities like Reddit. You can just get it from there. Or the biggest opportunity that you can have is through creators. There are people who are creating content on AI. You can just get help from them. You follow them, they will be putting in so about Sora, and also they will be sharing their invite codes. Or you can say, get it from friends like me. I will be sharing my codes with you as well. So yeah, and here's my code. This is the code you can use. This is the invite code. Please use it. Please use it, and let me know what you guys are creating out of it. If you are having your code as well, you can just put it in the comments so that other people who require access, they can just use your code, and you become friends, right? When you share codes, you become friends on Sora. So yeah, I'll be more than happy to be a friend with you on Sora. Just use my invite code. It's free, by the way. I'm not getting anything. It's just you getting the invite. We'll be discussing a lot of things in the upcoming time, but yeah, that's it for this one. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video. If you got any value, just drop it in the comments and let me know your experience with Sora. We'll be discussing a lot of things further down the line. So yeah, hit this like button and do subscribe if you like. See you in the next one.